What if I told you that this used to cost $5,000 and takes weeks to build, but I just created this in under 10 minutes? And the crazy part, I didn't write a single line of code. Keep watching because I'm about to show you exactly how, and I'm giving you the complete templates for free. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Claude AI, and if you are new here, I share AI tools that actually save you time and money. Today's video is massive. I'm showing you how to use AI to transform any data, sales reports, customer analytics, inventory tracking, literally anything into beautiful interactive dashboard. And yes, this works even if you've never touched code in your life. By the end of this video, you have a universal prompt template that works with any data, your own working dashboard, the skills to customize it however you want. So grab your laptop and let's dive in. First, you need one thing, Claude AI. Okay, I'm logged into Claude, starting a new conversation. Next, I need the prompts. I'll put this in the description. It is in a Google Doc, completely free to access. I'm going to copy this entire prompt and paste it into Claude. Now I need some data. For this demo, I'm using a sample e-commerce sales data. You can use the same sample data sets I provided or your own data. The key is it needs to be in a CSV form. That's just a spreadsheet saved as a text file. My data has days, revenue, products, categories, regions, and units sold. Perfect. Let's copy this and add it right after the prompts. This is my data. Then you paste the data. Alright, moments of truth. Let's hit enter. Now let's sit back and watch Claude do its magic. And also, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, and also like. It helps a lot. And there it is, 47 seconds from prompt to fully functional dashboard. Now let me show you what we got. At the top, we have our title and subtitle. And check this out, dark mode toggle. Watch everything transition smoothly. The background, the cards, the text, even the charts adapts. And it's not just slapping on different colors. This is properly designed for both modes. Now we have our filter section. 3 filters here: region, product category, and store locations. I can filter by just Greater Accra and watch every single chart updates instantly. The number changes, the graph, everything is connected. Let me add a category filter too. There you go. Now I'm seeing only electronic sales in Greater Accra. Super powerful for analysis. Now the summary cards. These are showing our key metrics: total sales, units sold, transactions, and gross rates. But here's the cool part. Watch what happens when I hover. The entire card content changes to show detailed breakdown: highest sale, lowest sale, average, all the extra contents you need. Always notice the growth indicators. These little arrows showing if metrics are up or down compared to the previous period. Alright, the visualizations. First up, monthly sales trend. Clean line chart showing sales across the year. And look at these two tips: exact values, properly formatted, sales by region, sorted from highest to lowest automatically, category distribution as a pie chart. Really easy to see your product mix at a glance. But my favorite feature, the race chart. This is where it gets really fun. This shows the top 10 by cumulative sales over time. Right now, we are December, so you are seeing the full year. But watch this, I'm going to reset to January and hit play. Look at this, the bars are growing, stores are moving up and down in the rankings. You can see exactly when different stores started performing better. I can pause at any point to analyze that specific month. This is perfect for presentation. The audience will actually be engaged watching this instead of staring at static charts. These race charts used to require custom coding. Now AI generates them in seconds, and that's it. You now know how to build professional interactive dashboard using nothing but AI and a good prompt. Everything you need is in the description below: the universal prompts, the sample data sets, and a racing guide. If you found it valuable, do me a favor, hit the like button. It helps more people discover this. Subscribe to the channel. I'm doing more AI tutorials like this every week, and drop a comment below. Tell me what kind of data you are going to visualize. I read every single comment. Also, if you want to see how to deploy this to the web for free, comment part 2 and I'll know there's interest. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.